With U.S. military aid slowing, Ukraine is forced to rethink its defense strategy. The country is ramping up domestic arms production, focusing on drones, artillery, and ammunition. While Western support remains crucial, Kyiv is also seeking alternative suppliers, including European nations and private defense firms. The question remains, can Ukraine sustain its resistance without the same level of U.S. backing? The answer lies in innovation, resourcefulness, and strategic partnerships. Ukraine's defense industry is stepping up, producing more weapons domestically. Factories are working around the clock to manufacture drones, missiles, and armored vehicles. This shift reduces reliance on foreign aid and strengthens Ukraine's self-sufficiency. However, challenges remain. Raw material shortages and funding constraints could slow progress. Still, Ukraine's determination to build its own arsenal is a crucial step toward long-term resilience in the face of Russian aggression. European nations are stepping in to fill the gap left by decreasing U.S. support. Countries like Germany, Poland, and the UK are increasing military aid, providing tanks, ammunition, and training. While this helps, it doesn't fully replace American assistance. Ukraine must navigate a complex web of alliances, ensuring continued support from multiple sources. The challenge is maintaining a steady flow of weapons and supplies while avoiding political roadblocks. Private defense companies are playing a bigger role in Ukraine's war effort. With government aid fluctuating, Kyiv is turning to private arms manufacturers for drones, precision-guided munitions, and electronic warfare tools. These companies offer cutting-edge technology, but at a cost. Ukraine must balance its budget while securing the best equipment. The rise of private military suppliers signals a shift in modern warfare, where governments aren't the only key players. Ukraine's drone warfare is evolving rapidly. With limited resources, the country is focusing on cost-effective, locally produced drones for reconnaissance and strikes. These drones have proven highly effective against Russian positions, disrupting supply lines and targeting key infrastructure. However, Russia is also adapting, deploying electronic warfare to counter Ukraine's drone advantage. The battle for aerial dominance is a constant game of innovation and countermeasures. Artillery remains a crucial factor in Ukraine's defense. With U.S. supplies dwindling, Ukraine is relying more on European and domestically produced shells. Precision-guided artillery is key to countering Russian advances, but shortages pose a serious challenge. Ukraine is also repurposing older Soviet-era weapons, upgrading them with modern targeting systems. The ability to maintain a steady supply of artillery rounds will be a decisive factor in the ongoing conflict. Ukraine's air defense systems are under pressure as missile attacks continue. With fewer U.S.-supplied interceptors, Kyiv is relying on European systems like Iris-T and NASAMS. These defenses are effective but limited in number. Ukraine is also developing its own air defense solutions, including mobile anti-drone units. The challenge is maintaining enough interceptors to protect cities and infrastructure while adapting to Russia's evolving missile tactics. Ukraine's military training is shifting to adapt to new realities. With fewer Western trainers on the ground, Ukraine is focusing on internal training programs. Experienced soldiers are passing down battlefield knowledge, ensuring new recruits are prepared. Simulations and drone-assisted training are becoming more common. The goal is to maintain combat effectiveness despite reduced foreign assistance. Ukraine's ability to train and equip its forces will determine its long-term resilience. Logistics and supply chains are becoming a major concern. With U.S. aid decreasing, Ukraine must ensure steady supplies of fuel, ammunition, and medical equipment. European partners are helping, but transportation routes remain vulnerable to Russian attacks. Ukraine is improving its logistics network, using underground storage and decentralized supply hubs. The ability to keep frontline troops well supplied will be critical in sustaining the fight. Ukraine's intelligence operations are adapting to reduced Western support. While U.S. satellite data remains valuable, Ukraine is expanding its own intelligence capabilities. Domestic spy drones, cyber warfare, and human intelligence networks are playing a bigger role. The ability to track Russian troop movements and disrupt enemy communications is crucial. Ukraine's intelligence services are proving resourceful, finding new ways to gather and act on critical battlefield information.